Welcome to episode 2 of DadVice. In today's episode, we're going to talk about making sure you have a cookie stash. Always have snacks on hand. You got to know what you're talking about, even if you don't know what you're talking about. Like right now, I have no idea what I'm talking about, but I'm trying to pretend like I know what I'm talking about. Today's episode, my DadVice is going to be always come prepared. Always have a cookie stash. Always have snacks on hand. 90% of the time when the kids are, having a little attitude or throwing their little fits, it's because they're hungry or they want something to eat. You know, they never eat when you put their food down. So always bring snacks and always be prepared for them to be hungry or thirsty. Because 90% of the time when your kids are upset, food helps. It'll at least take their mind off of whatever's bugging them for the minute, you know. A cookie here, a fruit snack there. It's silence, and silence is golden. If you're a parent, you understand what I'm talking about. Anything to keep them calm, you know, and to stop hearing that crying noise. It's always better to be prepared. You'd rather be caught with a snack than without one, if you know what I mean. All right, well, that does it for DadVice episode 2. I appreciate you coming, and hopefully you smash that like for me, and I will catch you on my next video. Thanks for stopping by.
I love it.
Get ready.